How to use Grindr's Explore and Discovery features. So you are ready to see who is out there beyond your immediate vicinity on Grindr. Let's dive into how to use those awesome Explore and Discovery features. They are super handy for expanding your research. First things first, open up your Grindr app. You can see my Grindr app right over here. Let's tap on it and go inside it. So we are inside the home screen or the main grid, and this is where you can explore or discovery option. So let's be clear, right over here you can find specific options that call explore or discovery over here on the Grindr. The thing is, the main grid, that is the browse section, is the place where you can explore and discover the people. To explore the people, what you can do is you can simply use the filter right over here. Just tap on this and there you can see a certain filters. There's favorite, online, popular right now, age and position, photos, and more other features too. Simply tap on this and explore the targeted person that you want to meet on this. And then after you tap on it, just like for example, after you tap on this age right over here, that is 18 years and over, and this is what you wanted, simply tap on this apply right over here. Now it will filter out the people based on the age that you have selected. And here there's other filters too, you can use them too. And that's it. That's how you can use Explore and the Discovery features on Grindr. Wasn't that easy? Go ahead and try around. You can try selecting a different city or applying a specific filter. See the new profiles that pop up? It's like opening a whole new world of possibilities right at your fingertips. Experiment with different settings. You never know what connection you might make. So that's all for today's video, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll be seeing you in the next video.